Welcome back to the channel. Here's a review you were looking for. Number 7. Genesis Business Credit Rewards. Our score, 8 over 10. So here are the conditions if you want to get this credit union LLC business credit cards with no income. You need to be a credit union client for at least 12 months. Application only a branch. Business plan is required. Personal guarantee is required. Business tax returns required for the last 2 years, and owner's individual tax returns for the last 4 years. So Genesis is a great credit union, but those are the conditions they want you to actually fulfill before granting you this business credit cards with no income requirements. So when we talk about the card itself, we're looking at an APR that oscillates from 13% to 17.76% for purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. This is really good. So you were thinking about a card that has a low interest rate. You can use the card to establish or enhance your business credit. So Genesis is really great at reporting your transactions to the 3 primary credit reporting agencies. We are speaking about Dun & Bradstreet. We are speaking about Equifax Commercial and Experian Commercial. So this card is really great also because you have worldwide usability, you have easy account access, and what we love here is that Genesis is really great when it comes to establishing a good relationship with their business customers. Okay, obviously you got to qualify. It is easy to qualify. This is a credit union with no geo restriction, so it doesn't matter where you are at in the country, you can qualify for not only individual membership but also business membership. So overall, the Genesis Business Credit Rewards credit card is great if you are looking for a credit union LLC business credit cards with no income requirements. One thing I want to say here is that it's better to apply, and I think I've said it before, it's important to apply only at the branch. Okay, if you want the no income requirements only, you got to go to the branch. Otherwise, you can actually apply over the phone or you can apply online, not a problem. Okay, and when you go to the branch, please, I want you to really bring all your paperwork because Genesis is really fast at approving you. So bring all the paperwork, things like your business tax returns, your 1065, your 1120, allow 1120S, your 1040 Schedule C, your personal tax returns, also your 1040 for the last 2 to 3 years, or for the 4 years rather. So you don't forget to bring also your business plan because the rep at the branch would want to see your business plan. Okay, very important. Number 6, we have here Service Credit Union Visa Business Platinum. Our score, 8.5 over 10. By the way, just want to quickly remind you, today's topic, we're speaking about credit union LLC business credit cards with no income requirements. So when we talk about Service Visa Business Platinum, here are the conditions that they want you to fulfill. You got to be a credit union client for 18 months. You got to be a service client for at least 18 months. Application only at branch. Business plan is required. Business tax returns required for the last 2 years, and owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years. Okay, so the card itself is fantastic. You can earn 1.5 points for every dollar spent and enjoy great benefits there in the process. So we're speaking about a card that allows you to enjoy low rates and no annual fee. Okay, and the cool thing is that it doesn't matter the size of your business, you will enjoy this card. You can enjoy benefits such as an auto rental collision damage waiver, purchase security and extended protection, roadside dispatch, travel and emergency assistance services, and a cell phone protection plan. And this is really great. And you do all this while earning You Choose rewards points for every dollar spent. So what is the APR we are actually working with here? You are looking at an APR that oscillates from 14.15% to 18%. There are no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, no hidden APR increases for late payment. Fantastic. But the cool thing, what we love about this card is that, first of all, Service is a great institution. They have impeccable customer service. Okay, and you can earn in terms of rewards here. You have 1.5 points for every dollar spent. Think about that, and you can choose the points for cash back, travel, merchandise, and more through You Choose Rewards. So everything happens on the You Choose Rewards program, on the You Choose Rewards platform. When it comes to the rewards you earn, and you want to process them, you want to redeem them through Service Credit Union. So overall, we love this business card a lot because you have a lot of benefits. You have Visa's travel and emergency assistance service. You have purchase security. You have extended warranty protection. You have a cellular phone protection. Okay, this is really great. And one thing I also want to say here is that If you are already a service individual member, please, you want to go to a branch because it's very easy to actually parlay your good relationship with them at the individual level into a business relationship, into a business membership. Number 5, we have Fairwinds Business Cash Visa. Our score 8.8 over 10. So here are the conditions to actually get this business credit card without income requirements. You got to be a client of Fairwinds for the last 24 months. Application only at the branch, so no phone or internet application. Business plan is required. Personal guarantee is required. Business tax returns required for the last 3 years. And owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years is required. Okay, so the card is fantastic. It's called the Fairwinds Business Cash Visa. It's a card that allows you to unlock up to 2,000 bonus cash back. 2,000. Think about it. So you can receive $500 cash back when you spend 5,000 in the first 90 days your card is open. 500. That's some good cash right there. And you can also receive an additional $1,500 cash back when you spend 50,000 in the first 180 days your card is open. So this is just fantastic. Okay, wonderful. So the card allows you to earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. We're speaking about a card that is so fantastic. You have no annual fee, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees. Think about it. And you have a 0% introductory APR for the first 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. And after that, you can enjoy low rates that range from 16.24% to 18%. Okay, and you have additional employee cards with individual spending limits, and you are able to instantly lock or unlock an employee's credit card, set travel notifications, and more, all from your phone. That's one thing we love with Fairwinds. In the last few years, they have been kicking ass like crazy when it comes to technology. They have revamped a lot of the processes. So what I just told you about unlocking and locking an employee's credit cards, this is just one part of the series of technological improvements they have introduced in the last few years. So Fairwinds, this is just hats off to you. You are doing great, because we've been following Fairwinds for the last 10 years or more, and we can see that they are improving their processes every single year, and you can see that qualitative change reflected on the business cards and loans and personal credit cards that they actually offer. Fantastic. So the Fairwinds Business Cash Visa, just don't forget to apply at a branch. Number 4, we have here ACU Business Visa, America's Credit Union. It's Business Visa, our score 9 over 10. So here are the conditions if you want to successfully apply for this LLC business credit cards with no income requirements. You got to be a credit union client for the last 12 months. We're speaking about being an ACU client for the last 12 months at least. Application only at branch. Business plan is required. Business tax returns required for the last 2 years, and the owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years are required. Okay, this is really great. So the card is fantastic. So you have a fixed rate of 16.99%. So there is no variable APR here, and so there is actually an annual fee on this card. It's $49, but the first year is the fee is waived. You have 2% cash back on all purchases minus returns, 2%. This is really great, 2%, okay? And you have a secure EMV credit card. This is a secure EMV credit card. You have Savings Edge. And what we love here is that we love the constellation of benefits that ACU offers. Fantastic. You have purchase security and extended protection, auto rental collision damage waiver, you have travel and emergency assistance services, and so on and so forth. And the cool thing is that you can actually, if you activate and make 5 purchases within the first 30 days of opening your account, you will receive $100. Think about it. This is just fantastic. This is great. And the thing is, the $100 will appear as a credit on your business visa statement after 5 qualifying purchases. This is really great. So if you're interested in applying for this wonderful business card, you can actually go to the branch, okay? And this is the only thing. Now, in some exceptional circumstances, they will allow you to call to apply over the phone if you have a strong relationship already with the credit union, with ACU at the individual level. In other words, you've been with them for so many years. They know you. They know that they've seen your cash inflows and cash outflows. They're comfortable. So this is really great. Or you even have a business bank account with them. All of these things really help. Okay, really help big time. So, or in this case, you can call 253-591-6881. 253-591-6881, and they will take care of you. You can have the conversation, or you can do the whole application over the phone. Not a problem. Number 3, we have CCU Business Visa Platinum Rewards. Our score 9.3 over 10. This is a great card. And here are the conditions you need to actually fulfill to qualify for this card without income. You have to be a CCU client for the last 21 months. Application only at branch. Business plan is required. A personal guarantee is required. Business tax returns required for the last year. Owner's individual tax returns for the last 4 years. So when we talk about this card, we are speaking about an APR that oscillates from 14.45% to 24.45% for purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. So there's no intro APR offer on this card. So this is really great. This is actually a great card if you think about it, because of the benefits. Okay, so the Visa Platinum for Business card allows you to manage your company's finances more efficiently and includes the following features: no annual fee, additional cards available for employees at no cost, individualized credit limits available for additional cards. You have secure online account review and the payment options from the CCU side. So actually, CCU has centralized the whole. So you will have access to your account through a centralized dashboard where you can control whatever happens. It doesn't matter how many cards you have, how many employee cards you have that are attached onto the main account. You can visualize everything. You can delve into a cost analysis, cost tracking, and so on and so forth. Okay. You have Visa's zero liability, which means you are protected if your card is ever lost or stolen. And you have a 24-hour member service with live representative during normal CCU business hours. You want to call 877-275-2228. That's 2228. Or after hours, you want to call 866-317-0355. So what I want to say, what we love about this card is that it also has additional benefits. You have what they call it the 3-2-1 reward points. Okay, and basically you are earning 3x the points per dollar spent on office needs, 2x the points for travel, dining, and gas, and 1x points for all other purchases. And points, by the way, expire after 3 years. So overall, the CCU Business Visa Platinum Rewards is can be a fantastic business credit card for your LLC, even without income. Number 2, we have Connexus Business Cash Preferred. Our score 9.5 over 10. If you want to get this business credit card for your LLC with no income, here are the conditions you need to fulfill. You have to be a Connexus client for the last 18 months at least. Application only at the branch. Business plan is required. Business tax returns required for the last 2 years. The owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years are required. So basically, this is a card that allows you to actually reward your business and earn up to 3% cash back on eligible net business purchases. So we're speaking about an intro APR for purchases and balance transfers, 0% intro for the first 6 billing cycles. And after that, you have an APR that ranges from 17.74% to 26.74% based on your credit worthiness. Okay, so the thing is that you have to understand, you earn 3% cash back on eligible purchases at gas stations, office supply stores, and restaurants, and more. You earn 1% unlimited cash back on all other eligible net purchases. So this is really great. By the way, we're speaking about net purchases, not just purchases, but net purchases. In other words, you have purchases minus returns. You have $25 cash back awarded after your very first purchase. And you have a $100 annual software credit after 11 consecutive monthly software transactions. So this is really great. I mean, when you think about it, if your LLC is actually currently spending in the kind of expense categories I'm talking about, then you should actually give this card a chance. Okay, so the 3% cashback actually applies to purchases at gas stations, cell phone service providers, office supply stores, and on dining, including takeout and food delivery service purchases. So this is really great. And overall, Connexus is a great institution that we have, again, been following for many years. I'm speaking 10 to 15 years. They are really great, and they are improving also. We love to see that. We love to see when a credit union is actually adapting to technology, adapting to recent trends, trying to constantly change their business model. This is really great because when people think of a credit union, they think of a lethargic organization, but no, modern credit unions are great institutions, and in some cases they're even better than banks. So Connexus Business Cash Preferred 9.5 over 10. Number 1, the best of the best when it comes to credit union LLC business credit cards with no income required. Navy Fed Go Biz Rewards. Our score 9.8 over 10. So this card, you can get the Navy Fed Go Biz Rewards, and the cool thing is it comes under the Visa platform or the MasterCard platform. You choose which one you want to go with, and here are the conditions you need to fulfill. So you got to be a Navy Fed client for at least 15 months at least. Application possible at branch or online, so you can apply online too. PG is required, personal guarantee is required, business plan required, business tax returns required for the last 2 years, not 12 years, 2 years. And the owner's individual tax returns for the last 3 years are required. So this is a card that is really great. The card that allows you to do a lot of things, and the Go Biz Reward is just fantastic. You're able to keep your business and personal finances separate while tracking and managing your expenses. Okay, and so the APR fluctuates from 12.15% to 18%. No annual fee. The rewards 1x points per dollar spent. So what we love here is that this is available, as I just said, as Visa or MasterCard. No foreign transaction fees, no earnings cap. Great for travel and expenses. Multiple cardholders are available, and zero liability policy for unauthorized transactions. So this is really great. Now, if you choose, for example, the Visa program for the Go Biz, you are not only expanding your small business's buying power, you also have access to Visa's special security benefits. We're speaking about protections and insurance, travel services, discounts and deals, business support services. What we love about Navy Fed is that, again, not only are they the number one credit union in the country, they're also they basically are the number one credit union in the whole world. They are run as a bank. They're very efficient. They'll take care of you. And what we love is that we love their customer service. It's just brilliant. And they are very generous also when it comes to awarding credit limits. So you heard about the Visa benefits. What about the MasterCard? Well, if you choose the MasterCard route for your Go Biz, you will enjoy a lot of benefits also, including exclusive business advantages, cellular wireless telephone protection, MasterCard ID theft protection, Master Rental collision damage waiver, protections and insurance, travel services, and discounts and deals. So this is really, overall, this is just fantastic. A wonderful card. We love it. Wonderful. I want to quickly give you a few pro tips before we actually close to this conversation. It's really important to understand that if you are trying to get a credit union LLC business credit cards with no income requirements, you got to ask yourself, what am I bringing to the table? What kind of skin do I have in the game? Okay, so the credit union allows you to actually get the business credit card without income requirements, but they want you to have at least your tax returns, your business tax returns, your personal tax returns for the last 2 or 3 years. They want to see a business plan. They want to see, in some cases, a personal guarantee from you. So the whole thing is that they'll give you the card. Okay, they'll just approve you, but you got to be ready to actually show them something that you have done your research. That simply because you are not able to show proof of income doesn't mean that you have not done your research. And by the way, what's up with that not showing proof of income? What's really going on here? Can you not show proof of income because you don't have the accounting software that you need to actually properly report your transactions? Or is it because your business is not quote unquote legit? I mean, what's up with that? Or your business is running on cash, or it has only cash transactions? What's up with that? Because we got to go back to the fundamental questions here. If you can get the card with no income requirements, one card or two business cards, whatever. But at some point, you want to have a thorough operation, an operation where you can actually track expenses, you can track transactions, so you can pay your taxes properly. Okay. So when we talk about getting a business credit card in general, make sure that you are able to check your personal credit, research business credit card options to find the one that fits your needs, especially when we're speaking about credit union business credit cards. Make sure that you can actually qualify for the specific credit union you want to apply at. Okay, because some credit unions, as you know, are geo-restricted. So you want to make sure that you are in the geography that they want to cover, that the credit union really wants to cover. And please apply when you apply for the business credit cards. Please follow their instructions and make sure that you actually fill out the entire application form. This is why I was just telling you to apply at a branch. That way you are applying under the aegis, under the direction of a rep. That way you are clear. You know that you are not going to make mistakes because they will be reviewing your application at the end, but even before submitting it. Before I do the recap, I want to acquaint you with our credit card evaluation approach. We do have a strict methodology when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and listing business credit cards on this show. Check this out. All right, let's just do a quick recap here. So I've been talking to you about credit union LLC business credit cards with no income requirements. Number one, we have an NFCU Go Biz Rewards. Our score 9.8 over 10. Number two, we have a Connexus Business Cash Preferred 9.5 over 10. Number three, we have CCU Business Visa Platinum Rewards 9.3 over 10. Number four, we have ACU Business Visa 9 over 10. Number five, Fairwinds Business Cash Visa 8.8 over 10. Number six, we have Service CU Service Credit Union Visa Business Platinum 8.5 over 10. Number seven, we have Genesis Business Credit Rewards. Our score 8 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.